We'll guide you through how to get a Claude discount. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Claude official website using your desktop browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for any promotional banners or pop-ups that might be highlighting current discounts or special offers. These are often displayed at the top of the page or as pop-ups when you first visit. If you don't see any visible promotions, scroll down to the bottom of the page and check the footer for links to promotions, deals, or discounts. Next, sign up for their newsletter if they offer one, as companies often send exclusive discounts to their subscribers. You can usually find a newsletter sign-up form on the homepage, often near the bottom. If they have a loyalty or rewards program, consider joining that too, as it can lead to discounts or special offers for members. Additionally, check for any discount codes that might be available online. Websites like RetailMeNot or Honey can be useful for finding active promo codes. Once you have a discount code, go ahead and add the items you want to your cart. During the checkout process, look for a box labeled promo code or discount code. Enter your code here and click Apply. You should see the discount reflected in your total price. Double-check that the discount has been applied before completing your purchase. If you are a student or belong to a specific professional group, check if Claude offers any special discounts for you. Some companies provide student discounts or discounts for educators and healthcare workers, so it's worth looking into. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.